Shall we start?
Yeah.
So I will make Ibrahim and Musa. So, so I will make I will make first Ibrahim, then Musa, okay, and bond between you and Musa. So this is Ibrahim. This is Ibrahim. Don't say like this. And I will make small Musa. Okay. Okay. And you have a good bond between you now. So it's a symbol of bond. It's a heart. Little heart.
Be careful, you put in some water. Yeah?
Yeah.
Be careful.
Now first we will let it run. It's dry now. Okay. Now let's pour some water. But be careful while pouring water. Musa. Yay!
What?
Wait. Your hands are coming out. See, now you can see
Yeah.
they are floating.
Yeah.
Ibrahim is floating. Musa is also floating. Musa's one leg is now become small. Right? Now you can see
Yeah. Don't
Ibrahim.
do that.
Oh, Ibrahim is going to Musa. Yay. Ibrahim is coming with Musa. Yay. You can see. Huh? It's floating now.
Yeah, Musa is falling down. Look, Musa is swimming.
Ibrahim is also swimming.
Yeah.
Now we will put this sticker on your hand. Okay. Yay! Yay! Show it. Now we will put this sticker on Musa's hand. Oh. Musa's sticker. Now I will put heart on my hand. Okay. See.
Let me try myself.
Of course, you should try. So draw anything, okay, Ibrahim?
I'm going to draw a flower.
Flower? Okay. But it should be not that much big. It should be small, okay? See. No, that's fine. Okay. Wow, it's looking very good.
Now let's show it also.
Shall we stick it to your hand?
Try on floating sticker. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel. So you see you next video. Bye bye. Stay home.